Welcome to the Sequoia. Come on in. The Sequoia townhomes offer just under 1,700 square feet of luxury living with 2 bedrooms upstairs featuring their own bathrooms, a half bathroom downstairs, and this beautiful living space. If you're looking for the perfect spot in downtown Boise, this is it. It is close to everything you could possibly want. Boise State University, the Broncos Stadium, downtown Boise, the river, restaurants, and so much more. The Sequoia townhomes feature included appliances by Frigidaire and the washer and dryer upstairs by LG.